going to solve an Excel assignment. It's basically chapter 1 of the Excel part of the Pearson MyITLab course. And if you want me to do any other part like Word part, PowerPoint part, or SS part, or if you want me to do other courses of the Cengage, SAM, or SIMNet, or if you want me to do maths work, stats work, finance work, accounting work, you can contact me. You can contact me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. I am going to start this one assignment. Its name is Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 HOE Souvenirs. Its project description is given here. You can read it carefully, so you will know what you need to do in this assignment. It's basically Excel 2022 project, and I am going to start from the first step, and by following this one these steps you can complete your work. In our first step, he is asking start Excel download and open the file name exp22 Excel chapter 1 HOE Souvenirs. Gradle has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. That's our first step, involve only downloading of the Excel file from the Pearson MyITLab dashboard and opening of that one file. That I have opened that one, downloaded and opened that one file. So now we will move to our second step. In our second step, what is he asking? You notice that worksheet contains some spelling errors that need to be corrected. Use the Excel to check and correct the errors in the worksheet. So we will go in the review tab. In the proofing group, we will select the spelling. And he is asking, do you want to continue checking from the beginning of the worksheet? So you will click on yes, and it's now changing. So first one you will change souvenir and then retailed, and then spelling check is complete. So press OK. That's our step number 2. In our step number 3, what is he asking? You want to use autofill to enter a series of codes to create product number. Enter 101 in the cell B5. So we will go to the cell B5. That's our cell B5. We will put 101 and press enter. What next he is asking to do? Use the autofill to complete the sequence of the range B6 to B10. So we will select that one. Like that, we will go to the home tab and select the series. We will select the column and we will select the 105 and press OK. And you see we have got our series in our column B. Like that, we have got a unique codes for the every product. That's our step number 3. In our step number 4, what is he asking? To motivate customer to buy more product, you want to change the 5% off to 10% off. Find all the occurrence of 0.05 and replace it with 0.10. So we will go to the here in the editing group, you will select the replace. In the this you will select the replace and select find what. Here type as a 0.05 and change it with 0.10, and you will select replace all. So you need to uncheck that one, then you will select that one replace and select, you will select replace all. And he is asking we all done, we have made one replacement, and press OK and close that one replacement. That one, that's our step number 4. In our step number 5, what is he asking? Column C contains the cost of each product. Column D contains the markup rate. Using these values, you will calculate the markup amount for each product in the cell E. In the cell E5, enter a formula to calculate the markup amount, which is the result of multiplying the cost by the markup rate. So we will go to the cell E5. That's our cell E5. We will put is equal to cost multiplied by markup rate, and in this way we have got the markup price. That's our we have got. And what next he is asking? copy the formula E6 to E10. So we will copy that one up to E10. That's our step number 5. In our step number 6, what is he asking? Now that you have calculated the markup amount, you can calculate retail price of each product in the column F. In the cell F5, enter a formula to calculate the retail price, which is the sum of the cost of the markup amount, which is the sum of the cost and the markup amount. So we will go here in the cell F5, we will put it is the sum of the cost and the markup amount, that one in the cell C5 and in the cell E5. So we will select the cell C5 plus cell E5 and press enter. So we have got the retail price, that's our retail price. Copy the formula to the range F10 to F6 to F10. So we will copy that one to up to F10. That's our step number 6. In the next step 7, what is he asking? Each item is on the sale this week. The price is X percent of the retail price. You need to calculate the sale price. In the cell H5, calculate the sale price. Copy the formula down to the range H6 to H10. So we will go to the sale price. Sale price will be the retail price multiplied by the percentage of, that's our sales price. We need to multiply the retail price and percentage sale and press enter. So we have got our sale price, that is our sale price for that one, and we need to copy the formula to the cell I10. No, that's our not sale price. We will minus the percentage of, that's our percentage we have got, and we will minus that one from the sale price, retail price. What is he asking? We will each item in the on the sale is the X percent of the retail price. So we will see that one. That's our formula for the retail price. So our first our price, then minus retail price multiplied by the percentage of that. In this way we have got our sales price. We have got that one. That's our formula. Copy the formula down to the cell H6 to H10. So we will copy that one to up to cell H10. So by multiplying F5 and G5 we will get the percentage of, then we will minus that one from the retail price. In this way we have got our sales price. That's our step number 7. In our step number 8, what is he asking? The profit margin is the ratio of the net profit as the percentage of the revenue. The formula: first calculate the net profit between the sale price and the cost price and divide the sale price. In the cell I5, enter a formula to calculate the profit margin. He tells us that the formula calculate the net profit between the sale price and the cost price. So we will select profit margin as a sales price minus cost price, and what is the other thing, over divided by the sales price. Then we will divide that one to sale price, put everything in the bracket and then divide by the sale price, and we have got our results. That is our profit margin 0.43%, and we need to copy the formula to the range I6 to I10. So that's our formula I6 to I10. And next, in the next step, what is he asking in the 9th step? You decide to add column to display the profit. Because the profit is a dollar amount, you want to keep profit column close to another column of the dollar amount. You will insert a column for the profit amount and enter the heading. Insert a column I and enter a profit amount. So we will insert a column I. That's our column. We will insert a column here. That's our column I. We need to use a column heading as a profit amount. That's our column heading. We will copy and paste it as a column amount. Press enter. That's our new column. Next, in the 10 step, what is he asking? Now you are ready to enter the profit amount formula. In the cell I5, enter a formula to calculate the profit, which is different between the sale price and the original cost. So we will put profit amount is the sale price minus original cost. That's our cost, and we will press enter. Set that's our profit amount. And what next he is asking? Copy the formula to the range I6 to I10. So we will copy that one formula to up to I10. That's our profit amount. That's our step number 10. In our step number 8, 11, what is he asking? You want to insert two rows for the category names above their respective product. Then you want to delete the row containing the soundtrack CD. Insert a new row, row 5. So we will go to the row 5. That's our row 5. We will insert a new row here. That's our new row 5. What next he is asking? Type appraisal in the cell A5. So we will put in the cell A5. That's our product name is appraisal. And what next he is asking? In the row, insert row 8 and insert souvenir in the column A8. So we will go to the cell row 8. That's our row 8. We will insert row here and put it here as a souvenir, as a product. That's our thing. Bold the word in the cell A5 and A8. So we will bold that one, A5 and A8. That's now bold. You will see it's now bold and looking. Delete row 11 containing the soundtrack CD. So we will select the row 11. That's our row 11. That's our soundtrack CD. We will delete that one. That's our step number 11. In our step number 12, what is he asking? Column A is too narrow for the product name. You want to increase the width. In addition, you want to increase the height of the first row. Finally, you decided to hide the product code column. Increase the width of the column A to 23. So we will select the column A. Right click on your keyboard and select column width. We will make that one to 23 and press OK. And what next he is asking? Change the height of row 1 to 30. So we will select row 1. That's our row 1. We will right click on our keyboard and select row height. And what next he is asking? To change that one to 30. We will make that one 30 and press OK. Next he is asking hide column B containing the product code. So we will select column B and hide that one. Right click on your column and right click on your keyboard and select hide. That's now hide. That's our step number 12. We have total 29 steps in this assignment. I have performed 12 steps in this video. If you want me to do the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want me to do the any other part of that one course, or if you want me to do any other course of Simnet or Cengage or Pearson, or if you want me to do maths work, stats work, finance work, accounting work, or any other writing work, you can contact me. You can contact me through my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given in the thumbnail of that one video and also given in the thumbnail of the channel. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get any video updates. Thank you.